Hey guys, it's me, Tori, and I'm back for a life update with you guys. So much has happened in the last few months since I've recorded any videos, and I just want to give you that quick update. So today we're going to talk about ADHD, if we're fostering and or adopting or not, changing my channel name, and creating new types of content for this channel. So stay tuned. So for those of you that don't know, my husband and I became foster parents in 2017, and in 2018, when we went to renew our license, we decided not to. It was a long, drawn-out conversation, probably from when our last foster child left our home in March of 2018. We had a lot of things going on, and at the time, we were in a spot where we had behavior issues from our 6-year-old son, who at the time was only 5, and we just couldn't handle all the things that were going on at home with him and having a foster child and having 4 other children on top of Zachary and the foster kid, and it was just a lot to handle. So when we decided to not renew, that was in August. I reached out to our home finder and said, hey, we're not going to renew it this time because our 6-year-old son Zachary was diagnosed with ADHD in May of this year. So we now have a diagnosis of ADHD for Zachary, and that's fantastic. We now are on medication and are seeking therapy for him. He does every other Saturday with a psychotherapist, and he was doing weekly therapy over the summer, early spring, with a licensed graduate of social work. She was doing play therapy, and he really enjoyed that, but she went on maternity leave, and she's not due back until November sometime. So we transferred over to another practice that does weekend hours, so he's not missing as much school, and we're going to go every other weekend. Life is crazy and it's busy. So we are not fostering, we are not adopting at this time, but we do have the option to renew our license without having to redo our pride training, and we'll only have to update our financials, our CPR if we haven't done it in 3 years, and something else. I don't remember. Oh, and our pets. Our pets have to have their shots updated in order to for us to qualify for a license. So at this time, we're just not going to renew. So that was our reasoning behind all that, because of Zachary's ADHD and focusing on him for a while. So another thing that I want to talk about is my channel name. When I started this channel, I was in cosmetology school, and since I never finished cosmetology school and I'm not going back to cosmetology school right this moment, that I want to change my channel name to represent me versus what I was learning or what I'm doing with my life. So I haven't figured out what my channel name will be, but I'm probably going to change my channel and go from there. There are so many types of content that I want to create. I mean, I'm not the greatest with hair. I kind of suck at hair, which is partially why I didn't fight really hard to stay in cosmetology school when my ex and I separated. I wanted to stay, but I just can't cut a straight line, and I wanted to learn how to color hair. That was my biggest thing. I wanted to learn how to color hair and style it. But I just am not cut out for hair. Makeup, I really enjoy makeup. I have gotten a certificate in makeup artistry. Do I wear makeup every day? No. Would I like to? Yes. In a perfect world, I would do it every day. But I'm a busy mom with 5 kids, so it's not always on my to-do list. But now that all 5 of my kids are in school, things are a little bit easier for me, and I can start dedicating my time to this channel. But first, there is a video that I'm going to make talking about something very personal, and I want you guys to watch that. And it will be kind of a main focus on my channel as that journey happens. So stay tuned for that video, and I can't wait to talk to you guys about it. Thanks for watching. Bye.